ठीक है, so we start. Okay. So as I said, Fourier series. ठीक है, expect at least 2 questions in your exam. Shut up, किसे? ठीक है, 8 marks plus 6 marks. ठीक है, this is the weightage of the chapter in your exam. Now, as I said, before I go to Fourier series, let us take first of all an example of some functions: tan x, sin x, e raised to x, log x, some other algebraic function, say x square. ठीक है, तो ये सब functions, if you observe, they are all single valued functions. They are all single valued functions. Now what do I mean single valued functions? You can understand the example. If I ask you what is sine of 30 degrees, what's your answer? Sine of 30 is how much? It is only one answer, isn't it? Half. बराबर? कोई और आंसर है क्या sin 30 का? There is no other answer other than half. It is only half. Similarly, if I ask you, say e square, you'll get some answer, na? Only one answer will be getting, isn't it? Only one answer will be getting. So such kind of functions are called as single valued functions. Okay. Now what's another example? If I give you say sine inverse of x, अगर मैंने sine inverse of x दिया, ठीक है? Let us try to understand this. If I ask you what is sine inverse of 1, what answer will you tell me? 90. Okay, fine. It is 5 by 2. ठीक है? 5 by 2. अगर मैंने इसमें और 2 pi add कर दिया, if I add 2 pi more, so it will be how much? 2 into 2, 4 and 1. This is 5 pi by 2. So if you try to get sine of 5 pi by 2, will again come 1. Sin 5 pi by 2 का आंसर भी वापस 1 आता है. तो sin inverse of 1 का आंसर can be pi by 2, can be 5 pi by 2, can be some more answers as well. So is it a single valued function? No, are you getting it? This is not a single valued function. So if I have a single valued function, f of x is a single valued function. Further, f of x has discontinuities. ठीक है? Continuous discontinuous function पता है आप लोगों को? ठीक है? तो उसमें अगर सपोज मेरे पास एक discontinuous function है and the discontinuities are finite. Discontinuities are finite. Finite in the sense you can what do you say, count those number of discontinuities. Similarly, the function have finite maxima and minima. They have finite maxima and minima. अब देखो ये तीन कंडीशन मैंने क्या बताया? I said the function is single valued function. मतलब उसका एक ही आंसर आना चाहिए. I said that a function should have finite discontinuities. ठीक है? It should have finite discontinuities. And the function should have finite maxima and minima value. For instance, if I ask you to plot the graph of sin x का ग्राफ अगर प्लॉट किया, do you know इसका maximum value कितना है? +1. Minimum value कितना है? -1. Finite maximum and minimum values. Are you getting it? So similarly, if I have a function which is a single valued function, which is a discontinuous, means if it is a discontinuous function, the discontinuities are finite, and if it is having finite maxima and minima, the function is said to obey Dirichlet's conditions. These three are called Dirichlet's conditions. ठीक है? ये जो तीन मैंने condition लिखा हुआ है, they are called as what? Dirichlet's conditions. So, I have a function which obey these three conditions. The three conditions are called as what? Dirichlet's conditions. Then what Fourier said? He said such a function which is obeying the Dirichlet's conditions can be expressed in the form of a series which looks like this. F of x is equal to, it is a0 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. bn sin nx. So any function, any particular function which is obeying the Dirichlet's conditions. The conditions are what? The function must be single valued function. The function as well as its integrals should be single valued function. It should have finite number of discontinuities. It should have finite number of maxima and minima values. Then that particular function can be expressed in the form of a series, and the series is called as Fourier series. It's a trigonometric series. and it will always be given as f of x is equal to a0 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. ठीक है? So अभी इसमें a0, an and bn these are nothing but constants. a0, an and bn, a0, an and bn, a0, an and bn are constants. So did you get what is Fourier series? This is the basic definition of Fourier series. There is some function, it obeys the Dirichlet's conditions. These are the three Dirichlet's conditions which tells us what? The function and its integrals must be what? Single valued functions. The function should have finite number of discontinuities. The function should have finite number of maxima and minima values. Such functions are said to obey the Dirichlet's conditions. If this function is obeying the Dirichlet's condition, the function can be expressed in the form of a trigonometric series which is written in this particular format. F of x is equal to a0 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx, where a0, an and bn these are some constants and we have to evaluate these constants. You get that? a0, an and bn these are some constants and we have to evaluate those constants. Now further people, see, this entire chapter is based on only one single formula. If you master that one single formula, there is no need to keep on studying for every single exercise of this particular chapter. What's the formula? ठीक है, अगर तुमको formula समझ में आ गया, एक formula समझ में आ गया, ये पूरा chapter हो जाएगा. So you focus properly on that particular formula. Getting? So what we'll do is first of all we'll write this thing. ठीक है? Stop the video.